In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Chat ID Telegram bot. A Chat ID is a unique number that Telegram uses to identify a user, a group, or a channel. Bots need this number so they know exactly where to send messages. If you're setting up a bot and it asks for a Chat ID, the easiest way to find it is by using a simple Telegram bot designed to show your account information. To begin, open the official Telegram app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're using the real Telegram application and that you're logged into the account for which you want to get the Chat ID. This is important because the bot will display the information connected to the account you currently have open. Once you're inside Telegram, go to the search bar and type in @userinfobot. Be careful to select the correct result since Telegram search can sometimes show similar usernames. Look specifically for @userinfobot, then open that chat. After that, tap the Start button at the bottom of the conversation. If you're on desktop, you may see a Start option in the chat window instead. This button begins the interaction with the bot and tells it to send your account details automatically. As soon as you start the bot, it will reply with your information. In that response, you'll see your user ID, which is also commonly used as your chat ID for personal bot messaging. This is the number you'll usually copy and paste into the service, app, or bot platform that requested it. Make sure you copy the number exactly as shown. Since a chat ID is a unique identifier, even a small mistake can cause messages to fail or be sent to the wrong destination. If needed, you can tap and hold on the message to copy it, or simply write it down carefully. One helpful tip is to keep this ID somewhere safe and easy to access, especially if you're working with Telegram bots regularly. You may need it again later when testing automations, notifications, or message delivery. That's all it takes. Open Telegram, search for @userinfobot, tap Start, and read the user ID it sends back. That number is the chat ID you need for your Telegram bot setup.